First thing we need to do is find a vocal that releases dopamine in your brain, then we can start chopping that shit up.
No me mires de esa forma, por favor, que me siento más sola de lo que estoy. No me ignores si la estoy pasando mal.
Believe it or not, vocal chops actually aren't hard to make. All you need to do is find the parts that sound good in the vocal and keep chopping them out. Okay, after a bit of slicing and dicing the vocal, this is what I came up with. Now that we have our chops, let's add some effects to spice them up.
Let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Reverb, OTT, distortion, delay, and some sidechain. That's all sounding good, but since we'll be making a beat around these vocal chops, I feel like we need one more set of chops that can help fill out the empty space. Let's hear how both vocal chops sound playing together. For those of you wondering where I got these super hot fire vocals from, I got them from an amazing vocalist named Ashesndreams. I highly recommend you check her out if you're interested in getting some fire vocals. Okay, now let's work on a quick beat that goes along with the vocal chops we've just made. Time for some bass. Compressor. Let's work on some drums and wrap this shit up.
por favor.